One of my most requested recipes of all time and one of my most viewed recipes online are the honey and chipotle ribs. I decided to pump up el sabor a little bit more and add habanero and a few more secrets. I want to make the sauce that's gonna marinate the ribs, and it all goes in here. I have garlic cloves, soy sauce. I have a 1/4 cup of La Costeña habaneros that are lightly pickled. And then I'm adding a cup of chipotle sin adobo sauce that I already finely chopped. Honey, because I like my ribs sweet and sticky. Oregano, olive oil, apple cider vinegar. And I'm adding Worcester sauce and Dijon mustard, ketchup, and coarsely ground black pepper. A lot. Gonna mix these witch's brew. The sauce is ready. Chunky, sweet, savory, spicy, everything in it. And now I have a couple pounds of baby back ribs here. They're so beautiful. You need to make sure that you remove the membrane from the back so that the ribs cook more evenly, and they're also easier to cut and to eat. Like this. Super easy. That's it. I'm gonna put my ribs right in here. And I'm gonna coat them with the sauce. And then get in there and make sure that the ribs are entirely coated on both sides. I mean, look at the sauce and look at these ribs. They're so beautiful. We're just gonna cover them. I have my oven at 350, and they're gonna go in there for about an hour and a half. Okay, we wanna remove the foil at this point. Let's baste the ribs a little. We're gonna put them back in, but this time without the cover. I want them to brown a little. So in they go for another 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, gorgeous. Let's cut the ribs off. It's like incredibly tasting honey chipotle habanero barbecue ribs. Let me add all of the sauce to the top. Adding some cilantro just to decorate a little. I was gonna grab a plate, but why pretend? I'm just gonna try to eat all of these. No, I'm kidding. But I'm gonna grab from here. Sticky, spicy, sweet, pungent. It just has everything you need.